CNC machining is applied in various metal materials, with application in industries, household electrical appliances, medical machinery, and automotive field, etc. We possess that 4-axis milling centers, and our operators are highly skilled in creating complex products using diverse tooling. Milling is one process of CNC machining. This process involves rotating cutting tool that removes the chips from the material when the machine is working. Different types of drill bits guarantee the high precision of products.